Hi, this is Debbie with the Food Prepping channel. Today I'm going to do a review on a couple cans of stuff that I got at Walmart. It's got the, I'm going to put this liquid in here. This is called Margaret Holmes Simple Supper's Dirty Rice Fixings. And what I've done is I've ground 2 pounds, because I've got 2 cans. Each can you use 1 pound of meat with it. So I've got 1 pound of mild sausage, and I can't even remember what the name of this was. Jimmy Dean maybe, I'm not sure. Anyway, 1 pound of mild sausage and 1 pound of hot sausage. And we're gonna see, I've got a salad made, and I'm gonna make a couple other sides. Just quick things. This is quick dinner for us. Never tried it before, but I don't know if y'all have Bojangles near you, but we have a Bojangles here, and you can get dirty rice, and it's really good. It's kind of spicy, so that's why I used 1 pound of mild and 1 pound of hot spicy. This is just regular breakfast sausage. It's not Italian or anything like that. It's just regular sausage. And I've got both of the cans. And I've already browned the sausage. And this is pretty much all you have to do now is just warm this up. But I'm going to let it cook longer than it says. It says on the back, add a full can of Simple Suppers to the skillet and cook until the rice and sauce are bubbling and thoroughly heated. Well, I'm going to let this cook for probably 15 minutes or so. Let it come up. I want it, all these flavors of the sausage and all with this stuff melded together. And then I'm going to let y'all know what it tastes like and whether it was worth it. I can't remember even how much I paid for these cans. Seems like it was around $1.99 a can. And you know how I am about leftovers. I love having leftovers, so I'm going to cook this, and I'm going to put the lid on it and let this go for, I don't know, 15 minutes or so. And when I get ready to taste this, I'll bring you back. Okay, I just wanted to let y'all know that I tasted this, and it's not, doesn't have the kind of flavor that I would want in it. So I'm going to add some flavor. The consistency of it and the rice and all that in here is really good. I need to turn it down some. Is really good, but it just needs, I don't know if I could explain anything to you. It kind of tastes like bologna to me. I really don't like it, but I